Hey, I'm Dr. J. Welcome to my kitchen. So Thanksgiving's over, so what are you going to do with leftovers, right? We've got leftover turkey. I'm going to show you an amazing twist. We're going to do a turkey salad. It's so delicious. Okay, so I'm going to start just kind of with the base, right? Making the sauce. So I've got a little bit of mayo here, and I'll have all the measurements. It'll be in the description below. Okay, got a little bit of mayo. I'm a big fan. Okay, this is some Dijon. So we're basically making like a little honey mustard going on here. Okay, here's the honey. A good local honey, if you have it. Got some parsley, a little salt and pepper, and a little rice vinegar. It just gives you that little, what is that? I'm just gonna now use my whisk, clean that off, get to the last drop. Just easier to mix it this way before I get everything else in the pool here. Oh my gosh, that already smells good. I don't know. I hear some people tell me that they just get sick of turkey. Turkey's boring. I completely disagree. I think turkey can be made 100 different ways. And I think it's only boring if we don't use our imagination. So this turkey salad I think is going to be different for you, but you can make turkey enchiladas. I mean, you could make a baked turkey and ziti. I mean, it's kind of endless. Frittata. I mean, come on, right? So this is my leftover turkey. This is 5 cups going in. I had the white meat left over, but you could actually mix it if you had dark meat. That would be fine too. And then this is 8 ounces of Gouda. Gouda makes everything better, I think. Cheese, right? Got some scallions chopped up. Celery, just kind of diced up in there, because I love a good crunch in my salad. Got some chopped walnuts. Okay. And bacon. You could leave this out, but why would you? Right? So this is that was just 4 pieces that I cooked and kind of chopped up. Okay, I know this sounds really weird, but please trust me. If you tried any of my other recipes, you know I'm not fooling with you here. These are dried blueberries, right? People put grapes in their salad and all kinds of things. I'm telling you, I'm obsessed with these. They're really good. So I got some dried blueberries going in. Then we're just going to combine it all. So a lot of these things, I mean, you'll probably have maybe not the dried blueberries, but you could use craisins in there if you had those, right? The little cranberries. You could use grapes, that you just kind of cut in half and put in there. That would be delicious. But I love these flavors all combined are so good. And I'm going to show you because when it's all mixed together, I'm going to serve it 2 different ways. Eric's behind the camera. I know he can smell this and it smells fabulous.
Oh yeah.
So you think, you're done with Thanksgiving and all of that and just got to reinvent. That's all. I mean, doesn't it look, I could eat it right out of the bowl, just like that. Okay, gotta let this sit for a few minutes just to get all those flavors to kind of combine, marry together, and then I'm gonna show you how we're gonna serve it up. So what do you think? You ready to give this a try?
Yeah.
I mean, that doesn't look like Thanksgiving, does it?
No, but I'm like you. I don't get sick of turkey.
I know, I don't.
I don't know.
It's really not boring, people. It's so good. It's so good.
Yeah.
So you can make this with a croissant and
croissant.
Croissant. Yeah, croissant.
Croissant. Croissant. Croissant.
You could do a bagel. Any kind of nice bread that you have would be perfect for this. Some little lettuce wraps you could do as well, or just put it on a big salad. I was thinking kind of, after Thanksgiving, I was going to say Turkey Day. After Turkey Day,
yeah. Well,
usually there's a lot of carbs involved. So sometimes I just want to lay low on the carbs, even though I do consider myself the carb queen. But right, self-proclaimed carb queen. But so this has, remember, it has the turkey, it has bacon, we have cheese in there, we have celery, scallions, we have nuts in there, and we have dried blueberries. I know that sounds so weird, but I'm telling you, so good.
Yeah.
So make sure you get a little bit of everything, if you can. I don't know.
I see a blueberry.
It's a lot. I'm going for the blueberry too. I got bacon in there. I got cheese and turkey.
Oh yeah, I got to get bacon.
Right.
Hang on.
Oh.
Get on there.
You might need to go in for a double. I don't know.
I'm getting it all in one.
Okay.
That's the celery, but I got to get that blueberry.
That's all right.
Here we go.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.
Wow.
That is so good.
Oh yeah, there's a blueberry.
That's delicious.
It's kind of like when I eat trail mix and you get an M&M. It's a treat.
It's like
you're like, okay, this is all really good, and then, oh yeah,
the prize.
a blueberry.
I love that.
Or the little marshmallows in the
Right?
Lucky Charms.
That's like the cheese for me.
Oh yeah,
It's so good, right?
yeah,
The
that's
cheese.
good too.
It's so good. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you do, please share with your friends and family. If you have not subscribed yet, please do that as well. And don't forget to click that bell. That way you know when our next video is coming out. All right. Happy holidays, y'all.